Welcome to GCSE Maths Help. Today we're going to be looking at graph transformations and functions exam paper questions. This video is a follow-on from my graph transformations and functions key points video, which I will link in the bio below. If you haven't watched that video, you might find it useful before looking at exam questions. For everyone else, let's get started. So our first question says, here is a sketch of y equals fx. On the grid, sketch the curve y equals f x plus 2. So from the key points video, we know that when the a value is inside the bracket, before we do the function, it means that the graph moves to the left. So all of our x coordinates are going to have 2 taken away from them so that they all move to the left. So our new coordinates are going to be -4, -10, -3, -3, -2, -2, -1, -1, and 0, 6. So we can plot those on the graph. So we've got -4, -10, -3, -3, -2, -2, -1, -1, and 0, 6. So if we join those all up together, then we've plotted the graph of y equals f x plus 2. So our next question says, the curve with equation y equals x squared minus 5x plus 2 is reflected in the x-axis. Circle the equation of the reflected curve. So we know from the key points video that when we reflect in the x-axis, the function has been times by -1. So we've got minus f x. So here we know that the function is x squared minus 5x plus 2. So we need to times all of that by -1. So that gives us minus x squared plus 5x minus 2, making this the equation that we're looking for. So this question says fx equals x divided by 3 plus 4. Gx equals 6x squared plus 3. Work out fgx. Give your answer in the form ax squared plus b, where a and b are integers. So because the g function is closest to the x in the list of functions, we need to put x through g function first. So fgx is going to equal 6x squared plus 3. So then after x has been through the g function, it's going through the f function. So we're going to replace the x in the f function with what's already happened to x. So x becomes 6x squared plus 3 divided by 3 plus 4. So now we can go about simplifying it. That gives us 6x squared divided by 3 is 2x squared. 3 divided by 3 is 1. And then add 4 at the end. So it's 2x squared plus 5 is what's actually happened to x when it's been through the g function and then the f function. So our a value is 2 and our b value is 5. Our question says fx is equal to x divided by x plus 2 and gx is equal to x squared minus 2. Work out fgx. Give your answer in the form a plus bx to the power n, where a, b and n are integers. So because g is the closest to x in the list of functions, it goes through that one first. So x is going to be squared and then have 2 minused away from it first. Then it's going to go through the f functions. So we need to substitute the x's in the f function with what's happened to x already in the g function. So fgx is going to equal the x squared minus 2 divided by x squared minus 2 plus 2. So we can multiply that out to give us x squared minus 2 divided by x squared minus 2 plus 2 is x squared. So we can simplify that to x squared divided by x squared minus 2 divided by x squared, which will give us 1 minus 2 divided by x squared. So looking back at the question, it says give your answer in the form a plus b times x to the power n. So our a value is going to be 1 Our b value is going to be minus 2. And our n value, we're going to use our powers knowledge and write 2 divided by x squared as 2 times x to the power minus 2. So 1 minus 2x to the power minus 2 is what's actually happened to x when it's been through the g function and then the f function, one after the other. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you would like to have a little recap on the key points on this topic, click the link in the bio below. Don't forget to subscribe to GCSE Maths Help with the subscribe button below, or you can check out my Instagram page at GCSE Maths Help for more videos and tips. Thanks for watching.